Dr. Henry Mwebesa yaashaba by'amagara okukoresa emyanya ya karimagezi yatirwa ha regional referrals okuhayo okushaba kwabo.
But as Health Service Commission, we established a recruitment system here, an system here. So we set up computers here. Any candidate, even from town, even from around, can come and use these computers. He would be helped by the IT team in this hospital. He would be helped by the human resource team.
Omurutaya yoru commissioner ho nasimire Kabale Regional Referral Hospital abwo buhereza burungi.
Reports prove that there's tremendous improvement in the hospital services. So we are really impressed by the progress. But all the same, we have been emphasizing to the management that they should strictly continue to control the level of...
In terms of information, the board chair is around. In May, we had a meeting, and the board has requested that for every case of disciplinary that we are forwarding that we plan to forward to the commission, we know the rewards and sanctions framework. If someone has gone to the rewards and sanction committee, and the next step is to go to the Health Service Commission, the board has requested that they want to first review those cases. It is one of their mandates.
Bamwe habashaho abahikira mu rukiko oru batugambire biri kubateganisa na munongo mukuru mu rumo gwabo.
Apart from motivating the staffs, those who have managed to serve for a long time, it would have been better if that spirit is maintained within organizations, especially referrals.
Salaries have never been enough, but optimally used, we can have maximum output. Together we can make this situation better.
Gasha kwa Nelson Aimbisibwe.